What's going on, everybody? It's Nice Pants Lance. I am getting ready to head out on the rocket and go visit my buddy Goose. You guys know Goose. He's the one that started on the Virago 535 and made it to the Street Triple and then made it to the Indian Sport Chief. Well, today he hit me up and gave me some exciting news. He has acquired another motorcycle. So we're going over to check it out. On my last video, I balanced the throttle bodies on this motorcycle. And already I can notice a difference. Yeah, I notice a little bit of a difference already. Just feels a lot smoother overall. But yeah, enough of the boring stuff. We are gonna head over to Goose's place and check out his new motorcycle. I'm very excited to see what he's got. I'm kind of curious, you know, a lot of people that ride Harleys, they're kind of predictable in the sense that if they tell you they got a new bike, usually you're gonna take a wild guess and you're gonna guess right. They got a Harley. Same thing with sport bikes. You know, a guy that rides sport bikes, he calls you and says, hey, I got a new bike. Everybody's gonna think, yep, another sport bike. Well, Goose has ridden sporty bikes and cruisers of all kinds. So I actually have no idea what bike he could have gotten and why, to be honest. I mean, seriously, I'm a little jealous. I have a full garage and only one motorcycle now. I don't even think he has a garage, and this will be his third motorcycle? Damn. I gotta talk to my wife about that. All right, we are pretty much here now. Let's see what he's up to. Not much space for me to park. That's all right, I'm gonna park on the street.
It's funny, as soon as you turn off, like, the first thing I told her was like, whenever I'm teaching people how to ride, I have them do like multiple launches to get used to the launching aspect.
Yeah, I
Finger your finger?
Yeah, I kept pulling the clutch down and and it kept grabbing my knuckle.
Dude, what the heck is this thing, man?
It is a 1996 Yamaha Virago 750.
Oh my god, dude, another Virago in the stable. I can't believe it. And it's got a sick ass LED light that is not on center. It's asymmetrical. That's great.
I promise you, the more you look at it, the worse it gets.
That's great.
Yeah, it's great though.
Yeah.
He's ridden it 3 times
I got it. It's all good now. we figured it out over there. I launched it like 6 times, you know, without having.
I was wondering why you came back this way. I thought you were gonna take a loop around Lehigh.
Well, you said you were worried about it getting pulled over and stuff, you know.
You know what? That's the great thing about bikes is like you could have a completely clean car, not a single flaw on it, and like there'll be like a squished ladybug on your windshield, and people will be like, "It's gay, it's trash, you suck, you should never drive again."
Yeah.
But then like in the bike world, you have like, you know, Might not be all there, maybe a few fries short, but it's like, you know, it's great. Yeah, things falling apart, but it's great.
It is great.
It's great.
It's a lot of fun.
So, I want to do oil, but I didn't exactly plan out how I'm gonna. So, oh yeah, by the way, it has its own jack stand.
Oh, it's got the center stand.
Yeah.
Dude, center stands are awesome.
I've already used it twice. So I know it works.
I see a little something dripping, or is that just water?
That's water. I think the seat is kind of a sponge.
I like the color though. The teal actually kind of does it for me. The rattle can black on the gauge pods that blends into the electrical tape.
It kind of looks like they just hit it with a paint roller. It's kind of a shitty paint job, but yeah, I don't mind it.
Yeah, like you said, you know, you kind of...
See, the color is growing on me now. When I first saw it, I didn't like it.
Oh, dude, it's an ugly bike, but it's just so, like what Tristan said, it's so ugly that it's beautiful.
Yeah,
I mean, yeah.
It's so ugly. It's cool. It's cool.
Oh, dude, I can't believe it. Another Virago.
whip up another
Yes, and it's got the freaking Z-bars
Yeah.
on it.
You know how to do it?
The classic Z-bars.
Yeah, I didn't notice that until I went to go look at it, and I sat on it, and I was like, oh, dude, those bars are dope.
Oh, that's dope. That was like every freaking Sportster known to man had those bars on at one point.
I feel like those are aftermarket.
They are, yeah.
Just like the headlight, though.
Oh, goodness. Just like our lopsided headlight.
And it sucks, too, because I saw on Amazon has a cowl for this thing. And I was like, that would be nice to have, but I know it's not going to fit with that headlight. I don't know if there's like a way to move the headlight over. That's something we can turn into a project another time. I just want to get everything else running perfectly fine. Yeah, see, you can, I think they just put the brackets on funny. And look, they bent this bracket to fit. So
Yeah,
honestly, we could probably loosen up the brackets, take off the headlight, straighten it out, and then we'll have to bend the brackets back into place.
Oh, yeah, absolutely, dude.
See what I mean? Oh, yeah, those are bent.
Absolutely. But that's okay because they... Oh, hey, look at that.
Oh.
Look at that.
Maybe it's because it was dropped. That's 100%. The lady I bought it from just tried going from a little pit bike to a bike like this.
This one's good and this
And
one's
yeah, this
like...
is not, this isn't like crazy powerful. It's not like a huge step up. It is still a beginner bike, but she couldn't handle the weight of it and she kept dropping it. So yeah, there is a little bit of side damage. We got this aftermarket blinker back here is falling off.
Oh, no.
I don't know how dropping it broke the entire taillight assembly, but that's broken. And then look,
They make a pill for that.
the license plate assembly is zip tied on right now. It's not even bolted in where it needs to be. It's literally on by zip ties, and I don't have anything to clamp it on. So I have the plate for it. It is legal, but I can't get it on right now.
It's legal. For sure. Dude, I'm so excited, man. You went from a 93 535 to a 96 750.
Yeah. So funny part is, it is Mika's favorite color, and it is from Mika's birth year, 1996.
Holy
So
shit.
she sort of lays a little bit of claim to it, other than legally.
Of course, of course. But it's a great bike for her.
Yeah. All I've done to it now is a new battery and a new regulator. I got the oil, I got new spark plugs. I mean, that's it for now.
Oh man, the memories. Seems like just yesterday we were getting gasoline on our hands.
A little burst of nostalgia for the nice Pants Lance garage, or rather Goose's garage. That is the real air filter. The other side, I believe, is a fake for looks. Symmetrical.
Similar to the 535 that had like a random cover kind of like that.
Yeah, and that one's like impossible to take off. I mean, I found a bolt in it, but then it was still bolted on somewhere else and I couldn't find the other bolt. So I went over and fucked with this one, and this one popped off just by these two bolts here, and I found the air filter in there. Easy.
Dude, sweet, man. How many miles on this thing?
31.
31. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all.
Not as timeless as the other Virago, but it runs, and it runs pretty nicely.
Sounds like it's got a little volume to it. Anything
It does.
done to
I
those
believe
pipes?
those pipes are aftermarket. It has to be. I don't think they ever sold a bike that sounds this nice.
Interesting. I wonder if it was ever rejetted. to go along with it.
Funny part is, even if it isn't, I found Amazon also has an entire carburetor rebuild kit for this bike.
Oh, let's do it. Let's do it.
A whole project.
Oh,
So hopefully we can get it running good enough. I'm thinking oil and it should run fine. I think the spark plugs are okay.
does it fire up?
Yeah,
Does it
you
fire
can
up
fire it
easy?
up.
So the choke is down here.
Yeah. And I found
Okay.
out the hard way that this is full choke, this is no choke. And it runs really good right about here.
Really?
Yep.
So I wonder if it's like a plate or so. It's on run right now.
Just press the button. Wow. Don't do any. I think I traced the nap and it'll choke itself out. That's
Oh
why
yeah. Okay. Interesting. It's got quite the rumble to it. Dude. Oh, that's so cool. And the turn signals work and all that stuff. Do the broken turn signals work?
Even if they do, I don't. So here's one of the problems that we made on the bike.
That you made? You made a problem?
Battery side. Oh, I do have the wire on there, so I'm not sure.
That works.
That does? Hit it?
All right, so that signal works.
Yep, this one
Sweet.
works.
Really?
Yeah. Hit the right signal? Yep.
No way.
Wow, it's actually panoramic too. That's pretty dope.
Sweet.
And then hit the brake. This is just a reflector. Okay, yeah, those are also brake lights.
Are the brake lights like snapped off in there?
No, they're like I thought this was the brake light, but that's a
Oh.
reflector. But the brake lights here, I'll show you.
Oh, they're actually a part of the. Oh man. Aftermarket LED turn signals and integrated brake lights. Looks like someone tried to super glue it on.
I had to pull some glue off it too. They gave up with the super glue and went over with electric tape. So I took the electric tape off that side, but they went electric tape on this side. And I believe, no, this one's sort of on okay. This one's yeah, that one's actually on correctly.
No way.
But yeah,
No way one of them is screwed on correctly.
this one is sort of, and then this one is like actually on good.
Yeah, you're right. I was messing with it.
But I'm glad that the lights all still work, because that means all I have to worry about is the license plate.
Which is in my trunk.
Do you want to license plate in your...
No, I don't think I'm gonna go for a ride. I think I might just go up and down the street.
Yeah.
'Cause,
I mean, you could still go to Lehigh. I mean, just run it up Lehigh real quick.
yeah, I'll just run it around the block. It's fine.
Did you want the camera?
Nah. I'll be right back.
You want me to turn the camera off?
You can record me
Starting it up and rolling it?
As I go away, as I escape from the vicinity. The brakes kind of work.
Yeah, be
Wow.
careful with them. They're very soft. And after what you did with the I don't know if you got it back to where it was at, but
No, it's kind of like melting now. So
all right, so just be careful with the clutch. Not that you don't have experience with a non-working clutch.
I've broken a clutch cable once. Yo, it's kind of crazy because it's actually really compact.
Yeah, dude.
I feel like you're like really in there. You know?
Yeah, and it's comfy. I mean, that seat is comfy, but when you ride it, you're gonna feel the low tire pressure and the suspension. Oh, I didn't like that. Yeah.
Oh, it's because I got the choke all the way off or on it.
It's all the way on. Yeah. honestly louder than I expected.
Yeah. It's not like ridiculously quiet, but it's not like loud either. It sounds like it's struggling. Dude, this thing's got so much potential.
It does, it does. Oh, I never put the battery strap back on. You're good, you're good. Uh-oh.
Battery needed leaking.
I kill switched it.
Oh, okay, I was about to say.
No, dude, this thing is dope, actually.
It is, it is.
Yeah, this thing is dope.
I'm surprised you didn't want to take it around the block.
Honestly, I feel like I'm gonna break it.
It does feel like it's under a load with you on it.
Yeah.
Fat ass.
Yeah, I know. I
Forget to eat a salad today.
You want me to test the horn? That's what I thought. No, dude, this is actually freaking awesome. And I will admit, it brings me back to the 535.
It does.
But it feels even more powerful than the 535.
It does.
Already.
It does.
Already.
It kind of makes me miss the 535, not gonna lie.
It was such just like a rowdy little fucking like. It didn't even take itself seriously, but it was still.
Wrong kickstand? Oh, okay. We're going with it.
Yeah, we gotta do the oil change, Steve. Remember?
Yeah.
Why does this hate me right now?
It's the driveway, man. Some angles are pretty bad. It's all different shapes and stuff, so like sometimes you're trying to pull it up a little higher than other times.
Dude, this thing is so freaking dope, man. I'm excited. Sweet. Well, I am stoked for this one, man. I can't wait to see what this ends up turning into when we get it up and running.
Yeah,
I know
maybe at some
Mika's
point
gonna
down the
like
line
it.
I'll strip the paint and repaint it. Same color, but just make it look a little better.
You see your VIN is almost. It's close. It looks like
This-
it's
Yeah, this thing is like completely broken off, pretty much.
Yeah, it does. This thing does need a lot of tender love and care, but I picked it up for $700, threw a battery and a regulator in it, and I'm gonna do the oil, and I mean, it's gonna run.
I'm excited for you, man. I'm excited. This is gonna be sweet. And as far as jet kits go, I don't know. You said you looked at a few carb
I had a
rebuild
rebuild
kits.
kit, but it looked like it came with a whole bunch of different jets too.
I'm gonna see if Six Sigma has another jet kit for this thing. Because if they have a performance jet kit for this, then I don't know. I don't know. No, this is sweet though. This is sweet. We got the big brother to the 535 here, and I'm so f***ing ready. But yeah, I guess I'll kind of leave the video off there.
Like, subscribe,
Like,
follow,
subscribe,
comment.
follow, comment. Yeah. See you on the next one. Peace.